Hello, friends. So, move abroad with Parrot. So, today I'm going to show you why Parrot is the best. Normally, our Parrot is the best company which can help you to get your admission letter in less than 10 days. Do you know why? It is because we have partnership with different recruitment platform owners. As you see on the screen here, we start by Global University System, Goose. This Goose is among the best platform we use. When you click to create application, you will see in Goose we have partnership with different universities, up to 18 universities. Some of them are from here in Canada, others are from Europe, others are from USA. You see? For example, when I need to apply at the University of Niagara Falls, Canada, I can come and click on this one, but this time I'm liking to apply at the Webster University at the LPI, which is very new. You can click here, then you fill all of the information. After filling all of the information, we send the link to the student. The student will get it, then start creating the password and fill application. This Goose has the academy. It will help our staff, it will help our agent to sharpen their skills about the recruitment process. We have also the marketing hub, where we get different flyers, different promotions from different universities and so on. Also, you have the other dashboard called we have another dashboard called the apply board. This apply board is the best one for providing the loan. Once you are accepted, we can also apply for loan through this apply board. When I come here, for example, I can come and say, please bring the universities which are eligible for loan. You see, to bring a lot of universities. Like these 20 universities is the one I like to recommend people. You see, they have instant offer. When you apply there, you can get the offer letter within less than 48 hours. It is very good. You see, the apply board normally operate with 60 countries: United States, Canada, UK, Australia, Ireland, and Germany. It means all of countries are not available here. This is only why we also have partnership with the Coast Fund. This Coast Fund is a good one. Also, it will allow us to have access to many countries from Europe and the other one from Asia. Apply board don't have any country from Asia, but this Coast Fund has it, and it has other automated system where I upload your transcript, then the course founder is going to show me all of the universities which can accept your grades. See, to facilitate me the work. Also, we have other platform called the QS. This QS also is good. It has many countries. See, there are so many countries in QS. If I need the schools from Italy, France, Finland, here I can get them. So, as I said before, normally, as we have many platforms, as we increase the chance of getting admission very soon. Because when you decide to come and be helped by Parrot, we will apply for you to all of the platform we have. Do you know what? This will increase your chance of being admitted as soon as possible. Here also you have other platform. With this platform, as I said, it is for North Cyprus. We have partnership with Study More. Study More has more than 8 universities. You see, we signed the partnership in the last 3 days, and now more than 100 has submitted, and 1 people already get admission. And I have seen notification of other 4. It means in total you have 5 admission in only 3 days. And also in North Cyprus, they have, my friend, good Patriot scholarship and affordable tuition fees. The remaining fees here is very affordable. They can give you Patriot scholarship from 50% up to 90%, my friend. See? When the student gets a link from Parrot, you fill it, then you come here as someone who is in pending state. Then our staff will come, verify our document. Once all documents are available, our staff will approve you. When the staff approves you, automatically you will be sent to the Study More platform. For this platform, all of approved students will be sent here, so that the staff in North Cyprus start review your application. When they see that you meet the requirement, automatically they take a decision saying that you are admitted, you have this scholarship and so on. Then you will be notified later. Also, this platform also it is for University of Plenia, also is located in Turkey, North Cyprus. We signed the partnership with them yesterday. In the morning, they give us the platform access. So very soon after this video, I'm going to start applying for you at this university. Also, they have good Patriot scholarship. So thank you for watching. If you like what we do, please click on sub, share, or like. See you next time.